What if I told you that over half of all banking jobs could vanish in the next few years? What if your loan approval, your investment advice, and even your cash withdrawals will soon be handled by machines that never sleep, never make mistakes, and work for free? This isn't some far-off future story. Real banks are installing real robots today, and they're changing everything about how money works. But here's the twist. This robot takeover might actually make your life better. Wait until you see what these machines can actually do. Right now, as you watch this video, robots are working in banks. Not just software programs, but actual physical robots with arms, eyes, and voices. These aren't the clunky machines from old movies. These are smart, smooth, and surprisingly human-like. Take ICICI Bank in India. They just became the first bank in the world to use a robotic arm for counting cash. This robot counts money faster than any human ever could, and it never loses count. It doesn't get tired after 8 hours. It doesn't need lunch breaks, and it definitely doesn't make counting errors that cost the bank thousands of dollars. But cash counting is just the beginning. Banks are now using robots called Pepper at their front desks. These robots look almost human, stand about 4 feet tall, and can chat with customers just like a regular person would. They recognize faces, remember your name, and can answer hundreds of banking questions instantly. Here's where it gets really interesting. These robots can do something human tellers can't. They can work with perfect memory. Every single customer interaction gets stored forever. Every question, every answer, every problem gets remembered and used to help the next person better. But you're probably wondering, what does this mean for the millions of people who work in banks? A recent study from Citibank dropped a bombshell. They found that more than half of all financial sector jobs are ready for robot replacement. We're talking about millions of jobs that could change dramatically or disappear completely. But here's what the study also found. This might not be the disaster you think it is. Banks aren't just firing everyone and replacing them with robots. Instead, they're moving human workers to do more important, more interesting work, while robots handle the boring, repetitive tasks. Think about it. Would you rather spend your day counting the same bills over and over, or would you rather help people solve complex financial problems? Robots are taking over the tasks that humans never wanted to do anyway. Goldman Sachs just made a prediction that will blow your mind. They say the market for humanoid robots will reach $38 billion by 2035. That's 6 times bigger than what they predicted just 1 year ago. This explosion in robot use is happening because artificial intelligence got so much better, so much faster than anyone expected. Morgan Stanley went even further. They're predicting that by 2050, humanoid robots will create $1 trillion market in the United States alone. To put that in perspective, that's bigger than the entire economy of most countries. But what are these robots actually doing that's so valuable? The robots working in banks today can do things that would amaze you. They can process loan applications in minutes instead of days. They can spot fraud patterns that humans miss completely. And they can provide customer service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever getting grumpy or impatient. Here's a real example. Some UK banks are now using Pepper robots as receptionists. When you walk into the bank, the robot recognises your face instantly. It knows who you are, why you're probably there, and can direct you to exactly the right person. It can even order your coffee while you wait. These robots use something called facial recognition, combined with artificial intelligence. They can read your emotions, understand if you're frustrated or happy, and adjust how they talk to you based on how you're feeling. But the really impressive stuff happens behind the scenes. Robot software systems are now handling investment advice. These systems can analyze thousands of market conditions, read millions of news articles, and make investment recommendations faster and more accurately than human financial advisors ever could. They're also revolutionizing fraud detection. While a human might spot suspicious activity, if they're paying close attention, these robot systems can monitor thousands of accounts at the same time, looking for tiny patterns that signal trouble. They can freeze a fraudulent transaction in milliseconds, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. And here's something that might surprise you. These robots are getting better at understanding human emotions and needs than many human bank employees. They're programmed to be patient, helpful, and knowledgeable about every single banking product and service. Banks aren't replacing humans with robots just because it's cool or futuristic. They're doing it because it solves real problems that have plagued banking for decades. First, there's the accuracy problem. Humans make mistakes. Even the best bank teller occasionally miscounts money, enters wrong account numbers, or forgets important procedures. Robots don't have bad days. They don't get distracted. They don't make arithmetic errors. Second, there's the availability problem. Human employees work 8-hour shifts, need breaks, take vacations, and sometimes call in sick. Robots can work continuously, providing consistent service whenever customers need it. Third, there's the knowledge problem. A human employee might be an expert in checking accounts, but know very little about investment products. Robots can be programmed with complete knowledge of every banking service, regulation and procedure. But the biggest reason might surprise you. It's actually about providing better customer service. When robots handle the routine tasks, human employees can focus on complex problems that require creativity, empathy and sophisticated thinking. This robot revolution in banking is going to change how you handle money in ways you probably haven't thought about yet. Your banking experience is about to become faster, more convenient and surprisingly more personal. Robot advisors are already managing investment portfolios better than many human advisors, and they charge much lower fees. These systems can monitor your investments constantly, making tiny adjustments that add up to significantly better returns over time. Loan approvals that used to take weeks now happen in minutes. Robot systems can analyze your credit history, income, and financial patterns to make lending decisions faster and more accurately than human underwriters. But here's the most interesting part. Robots are making banking more human, not less human. Because robots handle the boring paperwork and routine questions, human bank employees can spend more time actually talking to customers about their financial goals, dreams, and concerns. Major investment firms like JP Chase and Goldman Sachs are already heavily investing in robotic systems. They're not just experimenting, they're committing billions of dollars to this technology because they know it's the future. The robots coming next will be even more impressive. We're talking about machines that can have natural conversations, understand complex financial situations, and provide advice that's tailored specifically to your unique circumstances. Some banks are testing robots that can walk around the banking floor, approaching customers who look confused or frustrated, and offering help before the customer even asks for it. Others are developing robots that can handle cash deposits and withdrawals more securely than human tellers, with advanced biometric systems that make fraud nearly impossible. The most advanced systems being developed can actually predict what banking services you'll need before you know you need them, based on your spending patterns, life changes, and financial goals. This transformation is happening faster than most people realize. The banks that adapt quickly will provide better service at lower costs. The banks that don't adapt might not survive. But what does all this mean for you right now? Should you be worried about dealing with robot bank tellers? Should you be excited about the possibilities? The answer might depend on how well you understand what's really happening in this rapidly changing industry. If you found this information valuable and want to stay ahead of these massive changes in banking and technology, make sure to subscribe for more insights into how artificial intelligence and robotics are reshaping the world around us. The next video will reveal how these same robot technologies are transforming healthcare in ways that could literally save your life. What do you think about robot bank tellers? Are you excited about faster, more accurate service, or worried about the loss of human connection in banking? Let me know in the comments below.